Welcome back to another Logiwa QuickTake, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of fulfillment, all to help you fulfill brilliantly. My name is Ryan Fio, and I'm a solutions engineer. I'm joined by Lydia Kaminsky, our product operations manager, and we're going to spend some time today talking about put walls and how you optimize your high volume order fulfillment using Logiwa IO's powerful new put to wall functionality. Let's start with a quick overview. What are put walls, Lydia, and how do they work?
Put walls, also known as sorting walls, are a modern cutting-edge solution designed to streamline warehouse operations by enhancing speed, accuracy, and labor efficiency. Put walls are particularly beneficial for high-volume e-commerce businesses and 3PLs where order fulfillment demands are constantly increasing. Traditional order-by-order picking often results in excessive travel times for warehouse workers, as pickers have to move back and forth across the facility to retrieve individual items for orders. Put walls revolutionize this process by utilizing batch picking, where large groups of orders are picked together in a single pass. Once collected, those items are then brought to a centralized sorting station, the put wall, where they are efficiently sorted in bulk into individual orders. This structured and technology-driven approach not only minimizes walking time for pickers, but it also ensures greater order accuracy and faster turnaround times, allowing warehouses to handle larger order volumes with fewer resources. As fulfillment centers continue to seek out scalable and efficient solutions, put-wall systems provide a game-changing advantage, allowing operations to keep pace with those growing order volumes while maintaining high levels of accuracy and customer satisfaction.
It definitely sounds like put walls could really help high volume operations. Let's dive a little more into batch picking and how that works, Lydia.
Absolutely, Ryan. Batch picking allows pickers to retrieve large groups of items for multiple orders in a single trip, typically using a trolley or cart. Picking orders in batches can drastically reduce travel distances and optimize picking efficiency. Then instead of sorting all of these items directly at the point of picking, an approach that can be cumbersome and time-consuming, all the batch picked products are brought to a dedicated put wall station for further processing. While cluster picking, where pickers gather items for groups of orders simultaneously, may work for lower volume operations, it often becomes inefficient at scale. As order volumes increase, the complexity of managing multiple SKUs within a picker's limited workspace can lead to delays and even sorting errors. This makes put walls ideal for those high volume operations where cluster picking is simply not efficient enough.
So now all the items are at the put wall. What happens next?
Once all the batch picked items arrive at the put wall station, they undergo a streamlined sorting process designed to maximize efficiency and minimize errors. Each item is scanned and placed into a designated tote or cell in the put wall that corresponds to a specific order. Instead of relying on manual decision-making, smart fulfillment management systems, or FMSs for short, like Logiwa IO, guide sorters, displaying exactly where each item should be placed. Put walls operate with barcode scanning and real-time validation, making the sorting process highly accurate. As each item is scanned, the FMS will immediately identify it with the correct order, preventing misplaced products and reducing order discrepancies. Then once an order has been fully sorted and is completed, a good FMS will flag that order right away as ready for packing. Packers can then immediately grab that order and start packing. Or alternatively, completed orders can be transferred to packing stations to be boxed and labeled according to their shipping requirements, whichever works best for your operations. This structured approach streamlines sorting, minimizes errors, and allows fulfillment centers to process large order volumes with the greatest accuracy and speed. Now let's show everyone how it's done in Logiwa IO, right?
Great, thanks, Lydia. So today I'm going to be walking you through exactly how our put wall functionality works with some high-level examples of when an order comes in, how do we pick that order, how then do we sort it, and what does it look like to our packers once it's been sorted. So the first thing I have up here is I've already created a couple example orders with 2 items on each one, as you can see here. And so when these are waved and bashed and released to our users on the mobile device over here on the right, what we're going to see is that as I dive in, I can have jobs assigned to me. And one of those jobs that's been assigned to me is this put wall job. Now, as Lydia's walked us through already, what we'll be able to do is grab all of the items in bulk to one large cart. And this gives us the flexibility to, rather than sorting during picking, we're going to be sorting at that put wall after picking. So as I go ahead and select these items here, you're going to see that it's going to it's going to ask me to confirm all of the different scans that I need. So a location scan, a product scan, and if necessary, it'll even ask me to confirm a lot or an expiry date scan. And as I walk through my picks today, I'm pulling everything, as I mentioned, into that large truck that I'm going to be sorting afterwards. So what I've done here is I've confirmed the location and the products for all of the items on our orders today. And then it's going to ask me if I want to go back to the home page, which is where exactly I want to go. Because down here, you're going to see our new sorting tag. And by coming into this module, we're going to have two options. One is our sorting operation in general, and then the sorting control, which is post-sorting. What happens to our products that have already been sorted and put away? What if there's any exception cases that need to be handled? So for now, I'm going to jump into that sorting on the right and sort these products out. But as I quickly jump back over to the shipment order screen, you're going to see that we even have a status of ready to sort, so that you're going to see in real time the actual updated statuses of these products and of these orders. Okay. So what I've done is let's scan that bulk truck that I picked all my items into. Then it's going to ask me, where am I going to be putting these items? And that's going to be on that put wall. So then, now that I have this large bucket of items in front of me, all I have to do is scan them, and the system already knows where they need to go. Oh, excuse me. The system already knows where they need to go. So I just have to scan them, and it's telling me this item needs to be sorted into cell 3, probably because there's already items and orders in cells 1 and 2. So then I'm going to scan the totes in that location and sort my products accordingly. So for example, it's not allowing me to proceed with sorting those products because there's already a tote there. So there's always errors in place and use cases in place to stop us from proceeding through the operation. So what I'm going to do next is scan the product, and it's going to confirm for me where these items need to go. So let's enter that here. I'm going to be doing the red t-shirt that we just picked. And you're going to see it's telling me the exact cell that these items need to be sorted into. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to confirm by scanning that location there. And then it's going to sort these items out and allow me to proceed through the entire sorting process, directing me every step of the way. Now, once everything has been sorted, we can come into that sorting control that I was talking about just a moment ago. Now, by looking at all of the different available sorted cells, we can see what's been completed during sorting and what's ready to pack. So from the mobile device, we have visibility into all of the different cells on our put wall. But we also have this visibility on the desktop from the packing station itself. So what I'm going to do next is open up our packing station here. Then I'm going to go to our put wall. And if I were to scan this, so another operator, maybe already here doing this, they could see all of the available cells and totes ready for packing. Now, once that's done, they can either, from the mobile device, scan and transfer these over, or from the desktop, just simply select the next order that they want to work on. And then we're going to do our standard packing procedures that we've covered in the past. So we'll be able to scan our items one at a time. We'll have our box suggestion algorithm recommend the best box for these orders. And then we'll also be able to give you that 3D model that tells you the best way to pack it before we actually connect to any one of our multiple carriers and start printing out labels. Now that you've seen put to wall in action, I hope it's clear how consolidating orders at put walls can dramatically enhance fulfillment speed and efficiency.
That's right, Ryan. By leveraging automated validation and guided sorting, fulfillment centers can significantly improve their order accuracy, reduce manual effort, and accelerate processing times, all critical factors for high-volume operations. And it goes beyond just saving time in the picking process. Put walls help your team work more efficiently by creating specialized roles for picking, sorting, and packing. Instead of relying on highly skilled pickers to handle the entire fulfillment process, this approach divides tasks to maximize your efficiency. Pickers focus on retrieving items in bulk. Sorters ensure products are accurately assigned to orders. And packers finalize shipments with speed and precision. This structured workflow streamlines operations, reduces bottlenecks, and improves overall fulfillment performance. The result? Faster order fulfillment, reduced labor costs, and a more scalable, high-performance fulfillment operation.
All right, Lydia, as always, we like to wrap up each quick take with 3 takeaways from the session. What are the 3 things our viewers should take away from today's session?
Well, Ryan, with the rising demand for same-day and next-day shipping, warehouse efficiency isn't optional anymore. It's a requirement. And if there's a key takeaway from this session, it's this. With put walls, 1 + 1 = 3. By deep coupling, picking, and sorting, you create a multiplier effect on efficiency. Pickers move faster with larger batch sizes and reduced walking times, no longer constrained by having to sort orders in real time. Meanwhile, sorters operate independently with guided SKU to order matching, minimizing errors. The result? A streamlined, high-speed fulfillment process that maximizes your efficiency and throughput. Ultimately, success in modern fulfillment isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. By implementing solutions like put walls, you're not just optimizing processes, you're setting the foundation for scalable, high-speed operations that keep up with today's consumer expectations. As you think about the next steps for your fulfillment strategy, we encourage you to evaluate how put walls and structured workflows can help you gain that competitive advantage.
If you have any questions or want to explore how put walls could fit into your operations, we're happy to help. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you transform your fulfillment efficiency. Bye, everyone.